Hey Stampers, welcome to another week of Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm Aubrey and Merry Christmas. As the holidays approach, we are starting to think ahead. Our holiday catalog is going to be retiring, which we're very sad about. But I wanted to remind you that in our amazing annual catalog that we have holiday stuff in there too. So I wanted to show you in our annual catalog where you can find the holiday stuff. So if you go to the tab here on the side, you can see the different colors. The green tab is holidays. And you can look through and there's all sorts of Christmas things that you can stamp. There's more religious stamps. And there's also, like this is an all season stamp. And here too. So there's still options to get your holiday fix, even if we don't have the holiday catalog current at the time. So I just wanted to remind you of that. And I wanted to show you one of my favorite holiday stamps that we have in the catalog. Let me pull that in. This one I feel like is just a good all-around stamp. It has some really cute sayings and it has a fun Thinlits die that goes with it. So it's called the Snowflake Sentiments and it has the swirly snowflake Thinlits dies that go along with it. So it's really fun. I love some of the sayings in here. Wrapped in the warmth of Christmas and Merry Christmas from our family to yours. I love saying sets that have the actual Merry Christmas in them. I think that's so fun. So let me show you, I want to show you one of the cards that I came up with using this stamp set. And I'm going to stamp for you. I'm going to use this cute snowflake here. And I've already cut out with this fun, it's an edgelet actually because it cuts it right out of there. You can see I've already pre-cut that out and I just want to stamp this cute snowflake in Pool Party. And you can see this lines right perfectly up with the framelit there. So you can just get a really cute detail right in there. They work so nicely together. So cute. So fun. So most of the work is already done for you by our amazing designers at Stampin' Up. Let me just pull in the full card here. So I added some Sahara Sand and some Night of Navy ink there too with the snowflakes and a little saying and some embellishments. And you have a fun Christmas card that you can send out. Another thing I wanted to talk about that's in the annual catalog is the Christmas paper. We don't always think about it because we have the fun holiday catalog, but there is Christmas paper in the annual catalog too. So let me pull that in. I have this cute designer series paper. It's called Under the Mistletoe, and it's in our annual catalog. And it has both sides, as you can see. So cute. So I wanted to do up a card using this Snowflake Sentiments and the Under the Mistletoe paper. So I did this one, wrapped in the warmth of Christmas. And you can see I made this layer look kind of like a gift. So it all goes together, wrapped in the warmth of Christmas. I thought that was really fun. And I used the Thinlits here again around the edge to give it that cute little detail with those dots around the edge. Very fun. I have some other cards that we've received from other demonstrators. And I just wanted to show you some of the fun things you can do with this set. You can, all those fun cutouts from the framelit. This is a really fun fold. And here, cute with the purple. I hope you can find and love these hidden gems that are in the annual catalog as much as I do. And make sure you have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. And have so much fun stamping. See you next week for another Watch It Weekly Wednesday.
That was perfect. I love it. Merry Christmas.
Using this set is so much fun. I can't do it. All right.
That's going to end up on a blooper. You better not do stuff like that.
So fun. So much fun.
You're loud.
So if this
Every time you say so now, I can say you're like,
I know.